San Diego, we here again. Everybody else is out having fun, you know. I'm being the bored one, you know, not going in the water. But I'm okay. Oh, you got it itching. You can move now. I need to itch my leg. Something hit me.
It was fun. Our boat wasn't working, but it was fun.
Don't ever do that again.
Okay, well this is actually technically the Northeast River, not the Chesapeake Bay. The Chesapeake Bay starts kind of around that point. You just keep going straight and then you'll reach Turkey Point. Kind of a funny name. But at Turkey Point is actually when the Chesapeake Bay starts. But it's a beautiful area. The water here is actually brackish water, which means that it's salty enough for crabs to live in, but fresh enough that when you get thrown off the tube or wave cutter, you won't get nasty taste in your mouth. And that's about all I know. Only boundary.
Paddle.
Right? Only boundary. We just ask you to stay to the right of the dock and they'll go far. Wait.
So she's all right.
Have fun, okay?
Wait.
I kind of want to get on this side.
On this side?
All right, go ahead. Wait, this is scary. Here. Be careful, Bev.
Don't let him go yet, okay? I gotta take a look.
Wait.
I seen you again this year.
Hello. Wait, do we really have to steer?
Wait.
Do we really have to steer? Sorry, I just bumped you guys.
You get it.
No, don't hit us, please. Don't hit us.
We trying to steer.
Go back.
what you need to do. You probably first time. See? Oh, he just need help. No, but straight no.
Water. It's not that deep, you guys.
It's not that deep.
No, you can stand in the water.
I don't want to stand in the water. I don't want to stand in this dirty, dumpy place of water.
Let me move my hand. Huh? Chicken? I went on it last year. I'm not a chicken. I tried it. I'm done.
Oh my gosh, I was scared for my life when I was in that, what's that thing called? The canoe?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I was scared for
You
my
leave your
life.
little brother though.
He can do it by himself. Look at him, look at him.
I told you not right now. I got the wrong glasses on.
Hey girl. Tell his course later.
You know what'd be so funny, Fabiola? If your shoes fell in the water. Oh no, it's itching.
Don't scratch it, don't itch it.
Anyone else coming with us?
Hey.
We're in 373. I eat though. I don't want to hurt myself.
Okay, good.
Oh, the boat ride was
boat
tiring,
ride was
but
the
it was
best.
awesome. It was awesome. The boat was awesome. I just couldn't turn. The problem with the turning, and other than that, it was good. Some of my arms hurt.
I say it
And
was
I feel like
awesome
they're about to fall
because I
off.
had so much fun. Went to that secret place back there, so beautiful, full of little ducks and everything.
know, right?
Rocks. Only
I
thing is
couldn't
that my
catch up.
arms hurt real bad.
Me too.
Like it's about to fall
that
off.
was a workout. I'm about to have muscles. Like, but it was fun. I felt sorry for you if you wasn't here or anything.
Y'all missed
But
out.
it's fun to have Jesus in your life, seriously.
Yes, y'all need some praise.
So peace out.
Later.
Later, LEVANJILTV.
Somebody give them praise one more time.
You are the Lord God Almighty. You're perfect in everything you do. The angels declare you are holy.
It was fun. It was a blessing. It was a fun ride. I got my dress wet. Next time I'll be properly dressed.
You feel better now, Stephanie, now that you did something?
Well, I would recommend this. Why? Remember, don't be. And I gotta change again. Like,
Hi, duckies.
Cassandra, say hi.
Say hi to what?
Hello, my fellow Christians.
I should start putting my name out there.
We about to have a conference at 11 o'clock. That's why I had to get off the boat.
43.
Hey, wait for two people. Two of our good friends.
Fabiola, man.
Stephanie's all wet.
That's what she said.
Wet. Stephanie got lost a couple times.
I know, I saw you.
I would know. I was cruising right
couldn't
there.
turn
You
around.
let the water, just let the waves just take over. Anyway, that was fun. It was fun. I like the pedaling when all three of us was in there. It was so funny. We wasn't going anywhere. We was going in one little circle. At least once we made it like all the way down.
Where is Fabiola?
She probably left everything.
Let's do this, Fabiola.
You got this, bro. Let's go. Finish it, girl. Finish it. You do you, boo-boo. You do you. You work that pedal, girl. Work it. Woo. This is not a game, Fabiola.
This is not a game.
Put your game face on.
Do this.
Awoo! Awoo! Vive con bola! Awoo! Vive con bola! You know how we do? Jesus swag! Because you were in the water. Because the paddle.
No, because I fell in there. No, I'm kidding. I didn't fall in there.
That's that shit.
See, that was fun, you guys. What I said. Là, nous disons nous pas faire bagarre, nous pas faire.
Qui j'en ai quoi nous t'es venu en Amérique?
Just believe.
You take a boat.
Nous t'es pas en boat, oui. Mais ouais, nous fait pour nous t'es boat, mais nous t'es pas en boat.
You take a boat pour nous
Pour
venir
nous,
en
si
Amérique.
maman voit vidéo ça, là, dit Fabiola. Après, tu nos gros de l'eau ça. On a dit, mamie, pas comme ça, chérie. Chérie, c'est pas notre boat où tu es venu. C'est pas notre banana boat.
Banana.
Bagala pas même safe, non? Notre banana boat.
Nous vivons en Amérique. Let's go, guys. We are so late for this conference. What time is
What's your name, City?
Chelsea.
Do you remember me?
Yes.
I didn't even know that was you.
Spider on your hair.
Oh! No! Oh non, le Jésus, chassez.
Et non, le Jésus pas bouger ça encore. Ça tombe, la menti.
He's a defeated lion.
I was wondering, I'm like, I've seen you before.
Checklist.
I just realized I was looking at your face and I'm just like,
You might want to fix
Marlene. I don't think of Marlene. That's oh, how's your mom? Ah, woo. Leave Cambodia. Leave Cambodia. Ah, woo.
How old are you?
I'm 18 now. How old are you, Sweetie?
I'm 11.
Still 11?
Yeah.
Let's go, guys.
You've been 11 for a long time.
Ain't nobody got a swagger like that.
Isn't that fun?
I sure did. I got drunk.
I might just go sit down and wait for them.
Well, the boat. Hold on. Well, the boat is cool. I never tried it before, but I'm starting to get a hang of it. Awesome. And the most part I liked about the boat is like when you have to canoe and stuff. Yeah. And well, I don't know what else I can say, but I'm just having fun. And I'm waiting for my sister to come in the water.
So, I went on the pedaling boat and my legs hurt because you pedal in soccer workout. And I went to the gym earlier and I was on the bicycle for half hour. So that's like,
You okay, boo boo?
it really hurts, but it's good for me. I'm working out my muscles and my squats. So
Oh my
that's
God,
good.
he's spinning
She's a
around.
swag.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have your picture?
Yes, you can.
How safe is it?
Next thing is, what are you pointing to?
I think it's going in the bush. I think he's trying to control it. You okay, boo boo?
He's fine. He's fine. Pedal
What do you
backwards.
mean
Pedal
by
backwards.
safe? Like, will you get wet, or
You good, boo boo?
over.
it depends on the person.
It depends on the
It
person.
does, yeah. It's like some people go out and they're fine, and some people go out like 5 feet and they're just like. If your balance is good, then you're fine.
Oh my god. I would want to see somebody fall in there. That would be so funny.
Yo, wait. Can you get boo boo out this one?
This is choking me.
I don't know yet.
The big thing. We probably canoe. Or that one. Oh no, that one is for 2 people. Yeah. I want to do kayak. It's hot.
I want to, but I don't want to mess it up.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Boat. Is that coming in? come get you if you can't come back.
She left me.
And you get lost. But it was fine. The ducks ran away from me. They saw me coming. They were like, okay, crazy lady in the boat. But it was fine. I'll do it again later. You could have came in and caught up with me.
The link that he said is.
I can give you a big
You never tired, boo boo?
Jamais. Les tailles, elles montent cabane.
Well, we need to get a two-person boat next time.
Where's your mom? Huh? Melissa, where's your mom?
She wants to sleep. So she ain't going to the women conference. I ain't going too. Do y'all have insurance on those things?
insurance. On what now?
Yo, she's out of pocket, yo.
On those?
Uh-huh.
No. Why would you insure a kayak? That's what, no, everybody's insured.
I'm going kayaking.
That's a kayak, yeah.
I'm going kayaking.
I'm so cute together.
Excuse me, sir.
Back paddle, bud. Back paddle.
Enoch, back paddle.
There you go. All right, so you just have to stay out that way. Don't go that way. All right. Ready?
It's fun. Do you have a piece of paper and a pen, please?
Piece of paper and a pen for what?
I can write my will. Just
Oh my goodness.
in case I don't make it back. Let's go. My last testament.
Your last will and testament.
Yeah.